Covert narcissism, also known as closet or vulnerable narcissism, is a form of narcissism characterized by a shy, insecure, and introverted personality. Covert narcissists are often perceived as being humble, self-effacing, and sensitive, but beneath this facade lies a deep-seated need for admiration and validation. Covert narcissists often feel inadequate and have a strong sense of inferiority, which they try to compensate for by seeking validation and attention from others. They may do this by manipulating others into thinking they are more accomplished or intelligent than they are, or by constantly seeking validation and reassurance from those around them. Unlike overt narcissists, who are often arrogant and boastful, covert narcissists tend to hide their feelings of entitlement and grandiosity. They may also be more prone to feelings of shame and guilt and may be more likely to seek help for their problems. Covert narcissists are also more likely to engage in passive-aggressive behavior, such as withholding praise or affection, sulking, or giving backhanded compliments. They may also be more prone to feelings of envy and jealousy, and may be more likely to engage in sabotage or other forms of manipulation to get what they want. One of the hallmarks of covert narcissism is a lack of empathy. Covert narcissists are often incapable of understanding or caring about the feelings of others, and may use manipulation and emotional abuse to control and exploit those around them. Covert narcissists may also struggle with intimacy and vulnerability, as they fear that revealing their true selves will lead to rejection and abandonment. They may also have a hard time forming and maintaining healthy relationships, as their need for validation and admiration often overrides their ability to connect with others on a deeper level. Covert narcissism can be difficult to spot, as the behavior of the individual is often subtle and can be mistaken for shyness or humility. It is important to be aware of the signs of covert narcissism, such as a constant need for attention and validation, passive-aggressive behavior, and a lack of empathy. It is also important to recognize that covert narcissism is a spectrum disorder and individuals can exhibit different degrees of these traits. Some people may have traits of covert narcissism but not be full-blown covert narcissists. If you suspect that you or someone you know may be struggling with covert narcissism, it is important to seek help from a therapist or counselor who is trained in treating narcissistic personality disorder. Therapy can help individuals with covert narcissism learn to develop empathy, improve their relationships, and learn to cope with feelings of inadequacy and inferiority. It is also important to set boundaries and maintain a healthy distance from people who display narcissistic traits and behaviors. This can be difficult, but it is essential for protecting one's mental and emotional well-being. In conclusion, covert narcissism is a form of narcissism that is characterized by a shy, insecure, and introverted personality. Covert narcissists have a deep-seated need for admiration and validation and often compensate for their feelings of inadequacy by manipulating others into thinking they are more accomplished or intelligent than they are. They may also lack empathy, engage in passive-aggressive behavior, and struggle with intimacy and vulnerability. It is important to be aware of the signs of covert narcissism and to seek help if you suspect you or someone you know may be struggling with this disorder.